My name is Chris Tan. I'm a content creator, political vlogger, and a cryptocurrency investor. I'd be very conscious about how I'm standing or sitting, or where I'm looking, or what people are seeing. So I chose Clinique de Paris because, number one, they have great customer service. The team took really good care of me, walked me through the entire journey, made me feel so safe and secure. After the results, I was amazed. I feel like a different person already. I always tell people that hair loss is actually more common than most people think, especially with men. Apparently, like 75% of all men will experience hair loss at one point in their life. So it's not a bad thing. It's normal. But now you can do something about it. My transformation influenced my self-expression in a very positive way, where I'm now able to express myself freely. And I'm not afraid to be vulnerable because now I'm confident that in any way you look, it's a complete picture. Well, it's not one word, but it's a miracle. I never thought I could see my hair back to where it was 20 years ago. I would encourage guys to really take charge of their hair problem because it can be cured and you can go back to how it was.